As you guys know, we do doll videos, but today we're going to be doing some slime videos. And so do not expect any single dolls at all, because this is a no dolls allowed video. So,
and this slime is...
here's my favorite slime mob.
Mine. So, we call this Big Boy. Well, I call it Big Boy. So, this is the big slime.
I call it Baby Purple.
How's this a baby? Okay, so this is purple with like white beads. We got white beads in it. And here, let's try to stretch it.
Let's see how stretchy it is.
Okay, go, pull.
Pull fast.
It's very stretchy. Pull fast. So as this one is clearly more stretchy.
Oh, and when it gets heat, it turns pink.
So let's do that for 10 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys see, it's a bit pink right here. Let go. See, it's very pink.
It's even on my fingers.
Okay. And it's very bouncy. So here, let's grab a little bit, and then make it into a ball and see if it bounces. Okay? Here, I'll roll it into a ball for you.
No, I can do it.
All right. Roll it into a ball.
And then boing.
Boing. Mine's super bouncy. Ready? Boing.
Oh no, it fell on the floor. You'll have to take this.
So, this is our big boy slime. Let's grab the next slime. So, we have this slime. It's orange. So, guys, this slime is a little sticky, and it's a little bit hard to get out. So, I'm trying to get it out. So, let's get all of it out. So,
it's really, 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 really sticky.
And it's pretty scratchy. And I call this pumpkin pie. And we couldn't get all of it out because it's very hard to get out.
Okay, guys. And here's a slime tip. If your slime is ever too sticky, here's 2 things to do. Add contact solution, or just keep kneading it until it's not sticky anymore.
So look. So you see that there's some sticking on her hand? You just dab it on sometimes, and then look, it came off. Just dab it, and it comes off.
Want to see something really sticky? Count to 10 for me, please. My
1,
assistant.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look how sticky.
It looks like peanut butter. Ew.
And it was so hard for me to get my hands apart. Look. Woo, woo.
So, guys, time for the next
After an hour of me trying to get this off my hands.
Use the slime tips. We'll be right back in a minute. Okay, everyone? We'll be right back. So, we have a double slime, but you can't see it, but there's pink. So, we got pink right here. So, here's the pink. And then let's take the blue out. So look how smooth this is. Isn't it so smooth? Now let's take it out. So we got blue, pink. They both, smell this, guys. And look how pretty the glitter is. Then we have this one, smell it. So they smell so good. Yep, smells good. They smell so good. These are really good slimes. They're so squishy. And so squishy. And so we got a blue, a pink, and lots of sparkles and lots of beads. And so let's see how bouncy it is. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, a bit bouncy. Let's see how bouncy this one is. Whoa. Okay. Now we have to redo this one. I didn't see it. Whoa, it keeps bouncing out of the sides. 3, 2, 1. I feel like the blue was the most bouncy. So we should put this away. And by the way, it farts. You guys hear that? Next, flip that over and make it fart. Okay, now let's put the lid on. Okay, flip it over, put the other lid on. There we go, and time to grab the next slime. So, we are doing 2 slimes.
And I don't know if you can, I don't know if you can tell, but my hands are sparkly.
I have no idea why. Okay, so let's open this one. We gotta open that one, or we're gonna do this one first.
We're doing this one first.
All right.
Roll up my sleeves.
So
Don't
as-
forget to always roll up your sleeves, or you might
If
get
you have
slime
one
on them.
So, you can tell it's rainbow with blue, and let's see how stretchy it is.
When you pull slowly.
Okay, now fast. 3, 2, 1,
1.
fast! See, it just kind of broke when you go. Hold that.
And it's really hard to stretch. Even if you do go slow, it's really, really, really hard to stretch. And I don't know if you can tell. And it's not just because of my hands. It's really glittery.
Yeah, it's very glittery.
And sometimes the balls come out when you shake it. As you can see, balls are coming out on
There's balls on the floor.
and onto my hands. Well, not floor, but it's on the table.
Okay, get that slime out of the way. Next slime. We need to open this real quick. We have to open this. So, this slime is interesting.
It's stretchy, but not stretchy.
Wait, I'm going to try to blow a bubble in the middle. You ready? See, it won't work. I'm going to punch a hole through the middle. So I just made a big hole.
So did
Let's
I.
keep on stretching it.
Look at this. It's like we're pulling in 2 big holes and there's just this one little thing.
Oh, man. Okay, who's ready for the next slime? Who's getting bored of this slime? And yeah. You ready? Next slime. We got some slime. So this one's like with like some green sparkles.
And the next one will, no, not the next one.
But-
The last one will be the unicorn slime.
The
Friend will be doing.
So
And I'll be doing.
next we have this. Okay, so you guys have already seen that one. Let's do the unicorn. So this is gonna be this is our last slime.
No, we have this.
Oh yeah, we have that one. Let's do it.
Let me do it.
So
you guys,
we got this slime.
it has a little stuff in it to make it crunchy.
Yeah, just it's a little crunchy.
Okay, and here's a tip to never get sick. Do not put slime, I repeat, do not put slime in your mouth.
Ah, yummy. Eat it. Okay, actually, don't eat this, you guys. So, you guys see that slime right there? Do not eat it. Okay.
D for do not eat this, in which it is disgusting.
So, this is our last slime. This is the unicorn slime. It's not in a unicorn because it's out of the mold container right here.
And it's very small, but stretchy.
It's not that stretchy. Well, let's try. Yeah, it just broke automatically.
Even though we were doing it slow.
So, guys, we're going to wrap up our slime adventure, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye to the slime, everybody.